Hey, what's up guys? Good morning. So today we're gonna change these outer window sills on the hard body. As you can see, my outer seals have a little bit of rust on them. So I figured let's go ahead and replace them. This is like very simple, fun. You don't really need anything but like a flathead and a Phillips, because you got to take off your door cover. But that's about it. So let's go ahead and get started. This is a quick video, just gonna help you guys see how to do this real quick. All right, first thing we're gonna do is get this door cover off. It's super simple. Only thing we're gonna use is flathead and Phillips here. So first thing we're gonna do is get this off. You just twist this off by hand. This door handle here, lock, or whatever you want to call it. I don't know, lock, up and down lock, I don't know. You just twist that off, and then you're gonna get off this bar here, which is it requires a Phillips. There's 2 screws in here. Just get your Phillips in here, and then you can see the screws, so you just slowly twist these out. There we go. Okay, so now this piece is out. Then we're going to take off this little thing, and you see mine's loose here, but it's okay. You just pop this kind of wherever you can squeeze this in. I kind of get it in like right here. Kind of pull up, and you're just gonna snap that off. Now don't be afraid, you're not gonna break this. You just gotta kind of be gentle but firm at the same time. See that? Just slide that through. That pops off. Now this is tricky. Actually, you might need a smaller flathead for this to wind the window up. So, oh yeah, another thing we gotta do is wind our window down. So make sure you wind your window down first. So now this piece here, you're gonna get a screwdriver. Not a screwdriver, scissors. All right guys, so as you can see that clip in there, you're just gonna pop that clip up. All right guys, I got my scissors on the top here. Be careful not to stab holes. I already just stabbed 2 of them, but it's pulling that clip up. Okay, pulled the clip out, and it just went flying. Did you see that? Piece of shit. Jimmy is loose here. Oh, damn. Why is this being stubborn? Oh yeah, because the damn door handle right here. Oh. Anyway, that comes right off. All right guys, so now we're gonna get this cover off on the outside. So just want to make sure your window is winded down all the way. That's good. And literally, you just pop this off. Now, there's a hole. It starts on this side right here, and there's a tab, and you can stab through that tab. And I'll show you right now. Okay, you see that right there? That's the hole I'm talking about. You get your screwdriver, you press through it, and it gets this bent. It gets it started to come off. Okay, we got a screwdriver in, and we got it on that hole here. So we got this piece popped up, so you just want to go underneath the bottom and just kind of lift up, and it will kind of start to lift the whole piece up. All right guys, so we got it pried up. So what you can do is get your flathead, pry up with the flathead, and then pull. See that? It's coming right up. Now this is all OEM, so it's gonna be a little tricky, but you just keep pulling on it. Bam. And she comes right off. And it's all bent and disgusting. All right guys, so we got our new one here. And the new one looks pretty cool because it has like some suede type material. It's pretty dope. So what you want to do is this longer end that's kind of sticking out, you want to put that towards your mirror. So this goes towards your mirror, and then the shorter end goes towards the other outer seal right here. So there's like a little gap area that you put this longer end into, so you can kind of get it started to seat. Now I'm going to show you afterwards how it's supposed to look, so you can do it easier, but I'm going to start guiding it in. So I just put that in the hole there. Now you're just going to push this forward too at the same time, as you're kind of guiding that longer end in. You just want to line it up and just make sure you're pressing to line up the bottom inserts. There we go. All right, now it's starting to seat. That's all you want to do, is just use both hands and just kind of nudge it. This is the longer side. I got it wedged into, there's like an insert right there. So I got it wedged into this insert. And the shorter side connects right here. Now let me go around. So this is the shorter side. It kind of runs along with this outer seal. And yeah, this is the other side. Now the only thing I'm concerned about is this little, it's like a tiny gap right there. I don't want the water to get in there. All right guys, so once you're done, this is how your seal should look on your door. Now this side, the passenger side, looks a little funky. I just think this door is damaged. I think either someone tried to get in this truck a long time ago, or the door is uneven, because I had some trouble with the seal on the inside, so now I got to replace that one, which is all strange because it never gave me any issues until I took the door thing off and I kind of did this one. I went to put it back on. It just wouldn't sit right. So I'm going to have to do that. So that one's going to come on next. But that's it, guys. All right. Have a good one now. Thanks.